Hello everyone, here in this video I'm going to show you that how you can display color variants as a separate products on your collection pages. This video is specific for Savor theme. This is the new theme which Shopify has launched recently, so I thought that I have to create a new video on that. If you don't have color variant, maybe you have given any other name, then still you can separate those variants as a single product on your collection pages. So let me show you step by step that how you can do it. If you have any other theme, then you can also follow the playlist I have already created for other themes, so you can explore, and if you still don't find, then you can message me. I will create a new video for the theme which you are using. So here you can see that on my screen I have installed Savor theme. So let me firstly take the backup of this theme. So you should click on these three dots and duplicate this theme, so that if you are facing any issues or something, so you could able to roll it back to the original version. Once you are done with that, then again you need to click on these three dots and click on edit code. Here you will see that we have multiple folders and files. So what exactly we are going to do here is we are going to follow a documentation. So I have already given the link below in the description. So you should download all the files, and in those files you will find document.txt. So you just need to open it up, and inside of this file I have already given all the steps which are important for this specific feature. So now the first step is you need to create a new snippet, and name of that snippet is color-card, and paste the attached code. I'm going to copy the name from here, going back to the dashboard, and here you can see that we have snippets. Click on that and click on add a new snippet, and then paste that name here, which is color-card, and then click on done. Similarly, you have to follow the second step, which is again need to create a new snippet, color-gallery. So let me copy this, and going back here, click on add a new snippet, paste that name here, click on done. And same way you need to go for the third step, which is you need to create another new snippet, color-group. So let me copy the name and then click on add a new snippet, paste that name here, and click on done. Similarly, we have the fourth step, which is you need to create another snippet, color-variant. So copy it, click on add a new snippet, paste that name here, click on done. So we have actually created these four files. Now we are going to paste the code which I have already attached. So let me go back here. You can see we have color-card.txt. So let me copy this complete code from here, and then going to paste it inside of color-card.liquid. You need to paste it, and then you can save the changes, and then you should close this file. Go back here, and we have another file which is color-gallery.txt. So you should open this complete code also and copy it, and then go back here. We have color-gallery.liquid, paste that code, and then save the changes. And now we can close this file also. Same way you should go back. We have color-group.txt, open this file also, copy the code, and then you should paste it inside of color-group.liquid, and then save the changes. Once the changes are saved, you can close this file also. Again go back, and we have the last file, which is, so you don't need to paste this code. So I'm going to remove it from here, and you only need to copy color-variant.txt. So let me open it up, copy this code, and then go back here and paste it right here, and then save the changes. Once the changes are saved, then you can actually close this file also. Now we have to follow the fifth step, which is go to blocks and open product-card.liquid. So let me copy this, go back here, search it here, and you will find it like this. Inside of blocks, we have product_product-card.liquid. And inside of this file, what exactly we are going to do here is we need to replace this line of code with these lines of code. So let me copy all these lines of code and go back here. You should replace this line with the new lines of code, and then save the changes. Once it is saved, then you can close this file also. Now we have the last and final step, which is sixth step. So let's go to sections and open main-collection.liquid. So let me copy it and let me search it right here, main-collection. So you can see that under collections we have main-collection.liquid, and inside of this file we need to search, actually we need to remove li tag inside the loop, which is this loop. So basically we need to scroll it down and you will find out that we have this last loop which is around line number 74. Maybe it can be above or below a little bit. So you should remove this li tag from here. This is opening li tag, and then we have a closing li tag also, so you should remove this one also. So once you are done, then you can again save the changes and then close this file. So that's it. Now if you will see the preview, here we have the home page. So let me go to shop page, and here we go. Now you can see that we have all these colors displaying as a separate product. So you can see that we have all those colors which are displaying now as a individual product right here. Earlier we had actually only single variant displaying here. So let me create that situation again. For example, I am going to undo the changes here. Maybe let me go to original and let me save the changes, and then we have one more file which is product-card. Just I'm interested to create that situation so that you should see how it was showing earlier. So let me refresh this page again. Now you can see that we have this product, only single variant color is displaying. Again we have the second product, third, fourth, and all these products are displaying as a only one variant is displaying. But once I am updating this with the code which I have just now added, let me save the changes. And let me refresh again. Now you can see that we have all the colors displaying as a separate product on this collection page. So that's how you can actually display all of them on your collection pages. So I hope that you could able to do all these steps by your own. If you are facing any issues or something, you can directly message me, and if you have any questions or something, you can ask me below in the comment section. I have already given the contact details below in the description. So if you have any new feature to develop, or you have any new store to create, or maybe you are facing any coding related issues, or you have any new thing to develop for your store to boost your sales or something, so you can ask me. I will definitely help you out in that. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel. Also like this video. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Thank you once again. See you in the next video.